Hello everyone, this is Dr. Nikita here, your mentor, educator and friend. And today here I am for a very special video, an out of the box video, which is an unboxing video. And this is my one of the first unboxing videos that I'm doing. And this unboxing video is for a very special gift that I have received from the team at Unacademy. And I can't tell you how happy I am to have received this gift. So this is the gift that I have received, and here first of all there's a card there which says your hard work is appreciated, and it says, Dear Nikita Nanwani, at Unacademy it is of utmost importance that we ensure learners across the country have access to outstanding mentors who not only guide them on their journey but also play a crucial role in transforming their lives. We acknowledge and sincerely appreciate your efforts. So congratulations on gaining 25,000 followers and 20 million watch minutes. Please consider this as a token of recognition from us for all the hard work. Best compliments, Punit Reddy, who's our category lead for NEET PG, and the entire NEET PG team at Unacademy. So first of all, thank you for this wonderful gift. Let me tell you that Unacademy is one such organization which appreciates and always motivates the hard work that the educators do, and that in turn motivates the educators to work more and more. And I'm sure this is what is going to happen with me as well. Now let us do the unboxing for this. I have just opened the outside packet and I was extremely delighted. I wish someone could record my response when I saw this, and I was literally dancing when I received this gift. I have not unboxed it yet. I hope I shall be able to do it well now. So this is basically this brand dekke I was very happy and I was actually dancing. So yes, Apple gift it is, and we have the iPad, plus the best part, along with the iPad we have the pencil as well, and we have this iPad Smart Keyboard Folio. So one and all, total complete gift for an educator. And let me tell you that somewhere my secret has worked for this. I'm sure my learners know about what is that secret. So I was thinking of having an iPad very soon, and I was about to buy it myself, but yes, I've received a gift. What could be more better than this? Let us unbox this and see what do we have here. So this is iPad Air 4th generation 64 GB. So here it is, our iPad Air 4th generation 64 GB. And yes, the good news is that with this iPad I'm going to work on my content creation for the upcoming sessions. So maybe you'll get to see much more creative content in the upcoming sessions at Unacademy. And so we have this iPad, we have this pencil, and we also have this Smart Keyboard Folio. So once again, thank you so much to the entire team at Unacademy for this wonderful gift and a much needed gift. And I would say that this is a gift that will in turn help us grow better and work on our sessions and the content. Thank you so much. And yes, how can I forget to thank my very dear students and learners, because of whom I've got this gift, who have helped me reach this milestone. Keep blessing, keep showering your love on me, and I'll see you in my upcoming classes soon. Thank you so much.